What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on ZM ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that may affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have a huge spike in price from the late December 2019 till the mid-October 2020 for about 900%. Huge growth, and I have to say that for now, this company lost from this very moment to our current price about 66% of its value. And it's quite a massive sell-off, and I have to say that always when you see these type of sell-offs, you have to watch carefully on this company, because it might be a pure diamond if the financials are very strong, or it might be a total garbage. So, and what should we expect next, I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. Let's start with the company profile. For those of you who don't know, Zoom Video Communications provides a video-first communications platform in the Americas, the Asia-Pacific, Europe, the Middle East and Africa. The company offers Zoom meetings that offers HD video, voice chat and content sharing through mobile devices, desktops, laptops, telephones and conference room systems. So we all know that this company skyrocketed during the pandemic hit, and for now this company has a total market cap of $71.99 billion. They have a revenue of $3.64 billion with very good revenue growth of 170.13%, and they have very good net income of $1 billion, and they have a very strong cash position of $5.11 billion with the total debt of only $100.36 million. So financially, this company at this very moment is very stable and no doubts about it. But why we have this massive sell-off? Let me show you this news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on November 23rd, and it's titled "Zoom shares plunge as company faces big growth issues in 2022." And let me quote you this. Zoom Video Communications might have been the poster child for tech companies that saw business boom during the COVID-19 pandemic, as millions of employees worldwide fled their offices and began working at home. And that need for reliable communications technology in order for people to do their job drove demand for Zoom's services so much that on October 19, 2020, the company's stock price hit all-time high, close to $568.34 a share. And for now, the shares of this company plunged more than 16% to around $200 per share. At that price, Zoom's market cap of $59.6 billion has fallen by approximately $77 billion over the past 13 months. Zoom suffered from a case of the company not being able to win for losing. The issue was Zoom forecasting for growth ahead, but not at the levels that have driven its business over much of the last 2 years. And this is quite obvious that for now this company suffering from the lack of its growth, and a lot of investors anticipated the same growth, and right here you can take a look on their PE ratio, and it is extremely high. It is 73.13, and this PE ratio shows that this company should have a huge growth. But for now, let me show you this. Zoom reported another quarterly beat, but guidance has revenues basically flat for 3 straight quarters now. The company is reporting excessive earnings, with future selling, general and administrative growth to cut into earnings per share. The lack of material customer growth is another warning sign of future weak financials. The stock trades at an expensive 16x full year 2023 revenues, despite the reduced growth rates going forward. And I have to say that this forecast is quite bearish. And let me show you this forecast from TPRanks. We have 23 ratings related to this company. 11 of them suggest to buy, 12 of them suggest to hold and 0 suggest to sell. And I have to say that the price targets are still very high. The lowest price target is $235, average price is $302.63, and the highest price target is $400. And even to the average price, this company has about 46.45% of upside potential. That's why we have to take a closer look on its price charts. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that right here we have a clear 5-wave structure. This is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, fourth, and huge extension in the 5th wave. And this breakdown doesn't violate any rules of Elliott wave theory, because if we compare the length of the first wave to the length of the third wave, as you can see, we hit exactly to the tick 1.618 extension, and the third wave is longer than the first one, and it is quite technical that we have this type of extension. And this means this is the real breakdown, and it doesn't violate any Elliott wave theory rules. And on a greater scale, potentially, we might have this is our first wave, this is our second, and this entire movement is the third one. We are seeking the bottom of our fourth wave in order to have next leg to the upside. And for those of you who watch my channel for quite some time, you already know that this retracement should have a shape of a simple zigzag. And this zigzag might be like this. This is our A wave, this is our B wave, and we are seeking the bottom of our C wave. And also we can project some Fibonacci retracement levels from the very bottom of the third wave to the very top of the third wave. And take a look how technical this asset is. We had a very good bounce from 0.382 level of the price point of $388.6. We had first bounce right here, hit 0.236 level and went lower. Then we had very good price action around 0.5 level, as you can see, and then we broke it to the downside. Again, 0.382 becomes a resistance, and for now it is the top of our B wave. And then we have a very good bounce from 0.65 level, and this golden pocket shows that we are 100% right about this breakdown. And unfortunately we have this breakout to the downside, and this means if we will take a look on indicators on daily time frame, we have an RSI that is pointing down, and this means this asset has a huge bearish momentum, and this means we might hit lower targets. First of all, first target might be at 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $176.26. But if we compare it with the projection from the A wave right here to the B, and we have following targets for the bottom of our C wave, you can see that for now we have the price action that is around 0.618 Fibonacci extension level, and we have a rather good confluence level with this range in between $160 and $176, and it is a rather good confluence with the top of our first wave. So right here we might have very good reaction from the price, and we might have another bounce to the upside, and from this point we might catch this bounce, and if it will be the trend reversal, it will be a very good entry point for you as a potential investor. And on top of that, we have one-to-one extension, statistically the most probable range of extension of the C wave compared to A wave in the retracement, and it is a rather good confluence with the top of our first wave, and right here we have this top, and we shouldn't break this range of resistance. If we will break it, it will invalidate this movement to the upside as our motive wave, and we might hit lower targets. So next range should be at around $108 to $110 in order to remain bullish. And for now I have to say that this asset doesn't show any signs of bullishness on the multiple time frames. We don't have any bullish divergence yet on 4 hours time frame. On hourly time frame, we still don't have any bullishness on according to RSI. This means it is extremely risky to enter your position, and if you want to enter your position with this asset, just wait for the confirmation, and confirmation will be the price action with the higher lows and higher highs. And if we will see this price action, I will do another update and I will show you what should we expect next. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!